Hey guys, welcome back to Rusty Guns. So today I've got one of my sons, Simon, here with me. We're going to be taking out the safety selector. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Basically, mainly you should only need a Allen wrench or maybe a screwdriver. First thing we're going to do is take off the grip. So we're going to loosen that screw. You're on camera, don't worry. Everybody can see you. And as you take the grip off, there is a spring which sits in your grip right in this small hole right here. Just like that. So you go ahead and leave the screw in there. It'll save you from having to mess with it later on. I'm just going to set that off to the side. And next we need to remove the safety detent, which is located in this small hole that is right there. And typically you can give it a tap and it will fall out. If not, simply wiggle your safety selector a little bit and you should be able to slide your safety selector out once the detent falls far enough out of the way. If you want to take the detent all the way out, just simply take the spring that was in your grip and come from this side of the hole and you'll see the detent. Just kind of give it a little push and there it goes. It falls right out.
Oh, so that's the detent?
Yep, this is the safety detent. See that?
It's
little bitty guy right there.
I see.
And that's basically it. Now if you're wanting to install a new one, like a custom one with laser engraving, or maybe you're wanting to put an ambidextrous in. Ambidextrous usually come in two pieces, I believe, the ones I've seen. Either screw together or they have a set screw. But otherwise, if you're just putting in just a new one, you're going to reinstall the safety selector. Just like that. And you're going to put the detent back in, the narrow side going downward. And just give it a slight push down. You can use the spring for that. Just give it a slight push down inside. And then you're going to reinstall your grip. As you do this, you want to be kind of easy with it, and you want to make sure that your spring is going in straight onto the hole with the detent. You don't want it to be crooked, because that way when you tighten it down you're just going to bend the spring. So make sure the spring is going back in straight. And then just retighten. It's a pretty quick and simple repair to make. If it's a repair you're needing or a part to replace, it's pretty simple. I mean, all you need, like I said, is the Allen wrench or a screwdriver, depending on what kind of bolt they have locking it in, or screw locking your handguard in. Once that's done, you're just going to make a function check, so we'll make sure that it's still on safe, and we'll pull the trigger. It doesn't release the hammer. Flip it to fire, and hammer is released. So now we know it's back in, everything's working right. That's it. What do you think? Pretty simple? Cool. Alright, thanks a lot everybody. Take care, and remember,
Keep your booger hook off the bank switch.
Keep your booger hook off the bank switch.
You guys, I find. Bye.
Bye.